Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my weekly plan with me. I've decided I think I'm going to be permanently moving my plan with me's till later in the week, so this should be going up Wednesday because it just works better for me. And you guys seem to really enjoy watching them. I get more views when it's midweek, so I don't know. And then Sundays will be my other videos, so they're just basically switching. This week I am using this kit from my shop, and it is called Christmas Joy. I just realized I forgot my scissors, so I'll go grab those in a second. But this is Christmas Joy, and just like last week, I am only using part of the kit. I have the full boxes, the bottom washi, the extra glitter headers, the half box page, and the date covers. So I'm going to be using this week, and then I have a bunch of extra stickers, but I need to grab my scissors. So I am going to put down the bottom washi, the date covers, and what color glitter header? I think because these are mostly red, I'll use this green. Or do I want to use this green? I think I want to use the dark green. So I'm going to do that with some festive Christmas music. I'm also going to put my countdown stickers down and all that good stuff. Okay, so that is done. Let's work on the good old sidebar. I'm going to use this Christmas Joy sticker here. I totally put it down wrong. And then I think for the headers, separation things, I'm going to use these green ones since I don't have a washi page. And I'm just going to grab this one for my suppers. I'm going to put some space in between. Oh, that's why I didn't put space in between. You'd think I'd remember that since it was 3 seconds ago. There's that. Grab another one. For my habits. like, so sorry I'm not talking. This is just concentration. There we go. And then I need something there, and we'll just put this one right. Okay. So today when I'm recording this, it's Monday, and today is just a, oh, I should probably do my full boxes. So let me put those in real fast. I'm just going to go in the order of that they're on here. A lot of times when I'm designing, that's kind of how, like, I design them, is how I think they should go, but obviously it's your planner, like, do what you want to do. But that's how I always, like, think about it. So we're going to do that and put this Zoom in on Friday. I have, like, a busy next couple days, but after that, not really. So Saturday, I got my new releases up, and they are probably, and I say probably just because I am going to be designing stuff, and I have a hard time not releasing stuff when I've designed it, waiting. But they will probably be the last new releases of the year. I have 3 brand new kits, and I think they're adorable. One is inspired from the movie To All the Boys, and I really love it, and I think it's cute. And then the other 2 are just really cute kits in general. So you should definitely go check them out if you haven't already. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh, anyways, today I've just been like, today I was wrapping presents this morning, and then I went to the post office. So I think I'm going to use like a little checklist and just have that as how many can fit on there. We'll do 4 of things that I need to do. So, well, that was a fail. Good thing I have a backup one. That like totally stuck to my finger. I've never had that happen where it stuck so bad to my finger I tore it. That's so weird. Because this vinyl is actually pretty thick. It doesn't usually tear so easily. Weird. Okay. So I can put the things that I've done already today. Post office, wrap presents, film this video, and then I have other stuff to do. That's pretty much all I have today. Tomorrow I'm working from the first part of the morning. So I'm going to do what I did last week, is I'm going to take this Sweet Quiet Designs sticker, and I'm also going to take this red work sticker, and I'm going to layer them because I thought that was really cute. Since I have so many different types of like working. Oh, before I do that, it will be payday. And so I'm going to put my little payday sticker down, and then I will do this because that will take up my morning. And then in the evening, I'm going with friends and we're seeing Mary Poppins Returns. And so I'm going to take the movie sticker and a girls' night sticker. These ones are from Sweet Quiet Designs, and I'm going to layer them like so, and then I'm going to put it here. If I need to, I can put something there, but I really think this is all that I'm doing tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we are doing Disneyland again. Which color did I use last week? I did use the blue one. Okay, good. I wish this was red and not pink, it's like a pinky red. But this spread is so red. I kind of need to use this one. I could use the blue, but I used blue last week. And you're going, Melissa, why are you going to Disneyland so much? That you said you don't have money, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I know, I understand. It seems like a lot, but if you don't remember from my last video, is that I got a great deal on a 3-day pass. And tomorrow is the last day I can use my pass. So that's what's going on with that. And then the only thing else I have this week that I have to do is on Friday, I need to turn in my time card. So I'm going to grab one of these stickers here, the little checklist, individual checklist stickers, and trying to decide. So this was in the advent calendar, which there's actually a sticker I really, really wanted to use today, but I can't because it would spoil it for advent calendar. But I think I'm going to use this Tigaro, these label stickers, and use that for my time card, and then put the little layer, the little checklist there. So that'll be for that. And then, like I said, the weekend, that's all. Yeah, so that is my week. Like, there's a lot going on here in the next couple days, but the rest of my week is pretty open. Friday is the last day I'm able to work, and then we go on vacation. So that is what my week looks like. I hope you're having a great week also, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!